Okay. Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make cubic logo. So here is the cubic logo. So we're going to make this. I'm going to show you how to make it. So these are the selected colors I have chosen. So first we go on color. First we go on this rectangle tool. Double click and we adjust the width and height. It's 100 pixel. It should be 100 width and 100 height. Press OK and we have our rectangle. So we go on no, that's pencil tool. Eyedropper tool. So we press on eyedropper tool, click it on this and it's come here. So this needs to be selected. Then pick eyedropper tool and click whatever color you want, and it will come over here. For example, this is brown right now. I click here, it will become pinkish. So we need a brown first. So uh, we are brown. The stroke, there should be a stroke. I undid my stroke for some reason. Um, I'm selecting my stroke. The stroke needs to be white and 5 pixels, 5 points stroke. Okay. So we have our so now uh, so we put the color off and we select the line segment tool. The only stroke should be selected. Search for the center. This is the center. Okay. We go up to this. With the help of smart guides, I can see where my mouse is, my cursor. So I click over here. Should be 100. It should be for the to make it straight. It should be 90 degrees. So we have our line. Wait. So that's our first line. Now we need to make our second line. So we take this, search for the center. See, can you see that when I enter the square, do you see that X over there? That's the center, but the line is cutting it. So we will use smart guides and come to this point. So now to make it horizontal, we need to do 180 degrees to make. See, you can also see the angle. It's have horizontal. So we take this, put it over here, and there we go. We have our symbol. This is going to be the symbol. So to make the other symbol, it's easy. Copy just copy paste this. So how to copy paste? With the use of we can copy paste this with the help of shortcut keys. So Control C for copy and Control V for paste, and we have a copy. So we bring it over here, and as I showed you before, eyedropper tool. This is selected. Press this. Oh no, wait. Do okay. 1 minute. Control Z undo. So to get um this color, you first click the color. Click Pick this color. Now to get a custom color like this, we go over here, double click, and we select it like over here. So press OK, and as you can see, it's not selected by because we haven't selected our shape. So double click again. Always remember to select your shape once you're doing this. So there we go. our thing is ready. Our symbols are ready. So we select, and I already have the symbols. I already saved the symbols over here. So you can name it whatever you want to. I'm just showing you to save a symbol. You first select your object. See, when it's selected, go to this new symbol, click, and you can name it whatever you want. I named it one or two. Then you just name it whatever you want. Okay, and press OK, and it's saved. To delete, you select the symbol and press delete symbol. Delete. There. Wait. Yes. So now now you have a symbols ready. So just move it to a side. I did not select it. All. Just move it. Now it's selected. Move it to a side and take a rectangle tool again. Double click with 100 pixels and height 100 pixels. So wait. So to and now we need a brown rectangle. So we select this the selection tool, then this. Then we pick. Okay, yes. So we go on rectangle tool, double click. Oh, hold on. Okay, sorry everyone. Yes, as I was saying, make a rectangle by 100 pixels, points, whatever. So now it's come to the previous selected color. So as I said, I drop a tool, click this, and it's turned brown. So now our object is selected. Go on effects, 3D, execute and bevel. Click on so over here things get a little complicated. So we go on Exclusion Depth. This should be 100. Okay. Click on preview, and that's how it looks. So we need make so copy what I'm doing. It needs to be like this. I'm going to do it this way. So remember these degrees. The remember these degrees. Take a screenshot or anything, and remember these. Okay. So we go on map art, and we drag this little over here so that you can see. Okay. We preview is already selected. Invisible this thing. Now we go on 6th of 6 surface is the top. So we go on symbols and select our pink symbol. Then we go on 5 of 6. We go on the brown symbol. So press OK, OK again, and now we have this. Now, as you can, if you put it side by side on this, you can see that it's almost done. Just we need to move these two squares. So how do we do that? First we select it, go on object and expand appearance. Now it's expanded. Now undo twice and ungroup. Now undo and release grouping marks. Now we okay. So hold on. Okay. So now they are ungrouped. So we we double click this, and it's opened a layer. Okay, so what we want to do is double click this and click this again. So now only this square is selected. So with the help of arrow keys, move this down Move it down. I'm using arrow keys, not the mouse. This. Okay. And yes. Okay. So then we go out of the layers, and this is moved here. So now we click on the brown portion, double click. Now it's open the layers again. So click this, okay, and with the help of arrow keys, we move this where we need it. So we okay, now as you can see now, guys, it's almost done. Just can you see the difference? This part is intersecting with this. To stop that, we need to click on this on the top portion. Okay, and go on it. So we click on this, press the right mouse key, range, and press to send to back. Okay, and as you can see, wait. Okay, Control Z undo. We need to actually press click the thing. Okay, so we arrange, send to back. It comes over here. So arrange this, send to back. Okay, just 1 minute, everyone. I'll try to figure out what happened. Just 1 minute. Okay, sorry everyone. Actually, it was I was doing it wrong. So what we actually had to do, we had to click this, the brown portion, and we click the right key, click arrange, and bring to front. So okay, so we done that. So the white line from the brown portion is gone, but then now it's come to the pink portion. To remove the pink portion, white part, this white portion, we we double click this. Okay, wait. Yes. So we search for the white portion, double click it, and it will come on your color that it's white. So turn the white into none, exit the layers, and wait, hold on. Yes. Okay, yes. And turn the white portion in this. There. Now it's gone, and that's how to make cubic logo. I hope you understand. Okay, so that's how to make cubic logo. If you didn't understand the last portion, just I will. If you want, I can. You can rewind it back. If you didn't understand anything, you can always rewind it. And if I'm going too fast, you can always pause the video. Anyways, this is how to make cubic logo. Just wait. Yes, so this is how to make cubic logo. And yes, goodbye everyone, and I'll see you next time.